Hello people, well I hope you're doing great. My name is Christian Vargas and today I'm going to talk about some things about my life. I'm going to answer some questions and to read every answer and question. Okay, let's get started. First one, we got what are your plans for the weekend? And here we got the answer. And we're gonna do this with each answering question. Next weekend, I will go to my grandmother's house in Neighborville. She has been inviting me for a long time and I haven't gone yet. We have planned to go fishing to the river with her and the rest of the family. We will also take a barbecue grill for grilling meat and fish. And when the Sunday comes, I will leave my grandmother's house come to my house with public baths and start my routine again. Okay, next question. What is your job or study routine? Well, at the moment, I do not have a stable job. I live in our family's coffee farm where I work some days and where I have a couple of businesses. Thus, I work almost every day until midday. And I study in the afternoon every day. Okay, let's go with the next one. What sports do you practice? I play soccer from time to time on the field of my village. Other time, we adapt a place to play volleyball on the same field with my neighbors. The soccer is a sport which two teams playing against each other on a field and the one that scores more goals wins. On the other hand, the volleyball is a rotating sport which consists of two teams facing each other and the one with the most points wins. Okay. Which country would you like to travel to and why? I would like to travel to Australia. First of all, because there they speak English and I could improve my English skills. Besides, I could know a lot of animals such as kangaroos, snakes, reptiles, and many more, and also the beautiful places of that country. I would love to travel to Australia. Okay, people, and that's it. And I hope you like it. And thanks for listening and for watching.